Led by Tana River Senator Ali Bure and Garsen Member of Parliament Ibrahim Sane, Tana River County leaders said they were ready for dialogue with those from neighboring counties in order to find a lasting solution to the recurrent feuds. Kitui County boundary has been a subject of controversy over the past few months, with leaders claiming the Tana River County border was allegedly extended inside the Kitui border. Meanwhile, the Turkish government has donated 3 ambulances to Kenya. Speaking during the handing over of the ambulances at the Ministry of Health grounds, Health Principal Secretary Professor Fred Sagor said that the ambulances will help government's efforts of providing quality healthcare to its citizens, even as Turkish Ambassador to Kenya Dr. Avril Oskoy said that the Turkish government identified the need to support doctors with ambulances as proposed in road safety projects. Elsewhere, a section of persons living with disabilities are now demanding for a fair share of jobs in the public service. Busia County Sports and Community Development Executive Grace Muchuma says the president should consider those living with disabilities in the impending ambassadorial appointments. And after months of accusations and counter-accusations, former Naivasha MP John Mutudho finally handed over CDF offices to the new MP John Kihagi despite controversy over funds. This came amid information that between January to August this year, 133 transactions totaling over 47 million shillings had been carried out during the transition period. However, the two politicians exonerated themselves from the blame and called for an audit on how the funds in question were used. Finally, inmates at the Nairobi West prison today had a chance to mingle with family and friends during an open day dubbed remote parenting. The open day allows family members to interact with the inmates as part of prison reforms that aims at cultivating a closer relationship between inmates and family members and reduce stigma from the society once they are released from prison. Joyous Begison for Channel 1 News Hour.